Welcome to Yahoo Finance Live. I'm Seana Smith along with Diane King-Hall. The June jobs report being released right now, coming in below expectations. Nonfarm payrolls, number of jobs added to the U.S. economy last month, 209,000. That was below the general consensus here for 230,000. Taking a look at the unemployment rate, that coming in line with expectations, 3.6%, ticking down from 3.7% the prior month. Average hourly earnings, a month-over-month basis. We know this is a key metric for the Fed. That was up 0.4%, so a bit higher than what the street was looking for. Average hourly earnings on a year-over-year basis coming in at 4.4% here, Diane.
So it is interesting to see this number. Surprise even me, especially when you consider ADP's numbers, which blew well past expectations yesterday at nearly 500,000 private sector payrolls. So I was expecting a bigger jump, and we even saw Goldman ratchet up their expectations to 250K for this number. So again, coming in light when you consider that, and you're seeing a little bit of a reaction in terms of futures because we saw stocks slide yesterday responding to the ADP report, which, started to kind of support that notion of the Fed moving forward on another potential rate hike. So,
yeah, exactly. And I think a lot of this in terms of the market reaction that we are seeing, good news is not necessarily good news here for the equity markets in terms of how we have seen the reaction from investors, because, of course, this came in as a very hot report, making it more likely that the Fed is going to continue to raise rates. So the fact that this was below expectations, 209,000, certainly something to know, and a big reason why we're seeing the reaction in the futures markets right now.
Yeah, indeed. And, when you look at just kind of the breakdown, the unemployment rate, as you mentioned, a little change at 3.6%. So that was in line with expectations. I know there were some talk of it possibly ticking up. The number of people employed part-time for economic reasons did rise by 452,000 to 4.2 million. In June. So there's a little bit of an uptick there, just showing an increase in the number of people whose hours were cut, due to possibly business conditions, obviously. So we're definitely seeing a change there.